In the commercial cleaning industry, precision and timing are everything, especially when the challenges of efficiently allocating resources and managing workloads while keeping costs down and maintaining consistency and service quality are always there in front of you. Without a well-ordered process, things can become chaotic. However, by embracing scheduling optimization as a standard practice, you can turn the challenge into an opportunity, making your cleaning company deliver the best performance. Stay tuned to know more. Why optimize scheduling? Optimizing your scheduling is vital for various reasons. First, it prevents conflicts when multiple clients need services simultaneously. Next, by optimizing routes, it reduces unnecessary travel and ensures you have just the right number of staff at all times, thereby reducing the frustration amongst clients. Boost efficiency and maximize output. Through these actions, scheduling optimization not only boosts your operational efficiency but also maximizes your output potential. And since your team becomes capable of always delivering on time and with expected quality, it leads to high customer satisfaction. Accelerate financial success. Every improvement must translate into a financial success, and so do the actions of the scheduling optimization exercise. Over the period of time, optimization begins to bring down your unnecessary costs and boost your revenue. In a way, by introducing better changes in processes, it creates a new revenue stream. Strategies for scheduling success. How can you achieve this optimization? From utilizing advanced scheduling software to centralizing your scheduling data, prioritizing recurring jobs, optimizing travel routes, and fostering flexibility with the right tools, each step is crucial. Leverage cutting-edge technology. Embracing mobile technology ensures that your staff has real-time access to schedules and job updates, while modern payment solutions expedite billing and collection, all at the touch of a button. Conclusion. So, now it's time you optimize your cleaning business scheduling with Field Circle and improve efficiency and profitability. Don't let scheduling chaos hold you back. Contact Field Circle today and discover how our solutions can transform your cleaning business. Schedule a demo now.